Is there a standard keyword density? There's no such thing as one-size-fits-all keyword recommendations. It turns out that the ranking algorithms from Google will vary based upon the intent of the query. For example, a shopping query is considered to have transactional intent, such as helmets for kids. The configuration of what Google is going to reward will be different than for a query with informational intent, such as best helmets for kids. Notice that the intent can change even when the query is altered just slightly. Here's another example. Search engine optimization is informational, while search engine optimization agency is transactional. So the fact that a keyword actually has a different intent will change the complexion of what Google's going to reward. This means that every single keyword, even within an industry, will have a different footprint in Google's rankings. Every keyword is different, and as long as every keyword is on a different page on your website, that means that theoretically, every keyword might have a different target density. To optimize your content, what you have to do is look at a characteristic like keyword density where it makes sense, on a keyword by keyword basis. Understandably, this doesn't give you a solid target, but what you want is to be the least imperfect compared to your competitors. You don't care about the density so much as you care about beating your competition. Just follow the lead of which sites and pages are getting rewarded with the highest rankings. Then behave in a similar way, and that's about as good as you can get because there's no ideal keyword density.